Social analytics reporting can be time-consuming and difficult. With social analytics in CoSchedule Marketing Calendar, you can easily translate confusing data into easy-to-understand reports to fuel your social strategy in seconds. Here's a quick overview of each report and how you can use them. Use social engagement reports to identify top-performing messages, download and share reports with stakeholders, visualize trends across your social channels, and compare how different channels are performing. Use the social campaign report to gauge the success of specific campaigns. Create, download, and share these reports for post-campaign retro meetings to showcase the impact of social media marketing for specific campaigns, or run them mid-campaign to make adjustments or improvements to messages that are scheduled in the future. You can also use the social campaign reports to compare the performance of two specific campaigns against each other to see what types of campaigns perform best. Social media algorithms are always changing. You can use social profile reports to analyze each of your profile's best times to post, best days to post, and most popular message types so you can continue to publish better messages at the right times for your followers. Finally, you can use social message analytics to see the performance of individual messages scheduled to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You can use this information to make small changes to your promotion schedule for better results. Try using social analytics in CoSchedule Marketing Calendar to spend less time on tedious reporting and more time creating new content.